My name is Greg Southwick. I own Falcon Collision and Customs here in Grantsville, Utah. I've been in the auto industry for 25 years. My consumers definitely prefer coming to a small town shop where the same guy's always at the front office and the same guy's taking their keys and the same guy's giving their vehicle back after a repair. Probably 40% of the repairs we do are on 4x4 trucks. This is definitely truck country. Between ranches, construction, everybody likes their trucks out here in this county. Collision repairs are the majority of our business at this point. It is very important after a collision to be able to get folks back on the road in their vehicle. If a customer's paying out of pocket and I can save them a couple $100s on an aftermarket part versus an OEM part, it's important to have the access to the aftermarket parts. They fit well, they function the same, so why pay more? Not only are we saving money, we're able to get the parts faster for the customer. I did a job on a construction company truck. We ordered the parts and they notified me that the hood was on national back order. So the truck sat here on my lot for 2 months before I received that part and could get going on those repairs. So the design patent apparently on this particular hood has been enforced by the manufacturer, deeming it not to be able to be made aftermarket. Hoods have been around since the early 1900s. Just because the air flows through it differently doesn't mean it should have a design patent. His particular truck was a dually flatbed for a fencing company. Really put him in a bind. He just had to figure it out while his truck sat here waiting on an OEM part that was backlogged. We need to have the option of the aftermarket and not just have the manufacturers running freely with these design patents. I support right to repair for my customers and really my livelihood. I feel it's very important for Congress to act on this now before consumers don't have a choice on the parts they need to fix their vehicles. If it comes to the point where you can't even buy brake pads for your vehicle from an aftermarket supplier and have to buy dealer parts, it's going to make car affordability just out of reach for some people. I think we're kind of an automotive nation. Everybody loves their cars, and to be able to choose where you have that car serviced, choose where you have that car repaired, you should have that right as a consumer to choose. I support the SMART Act so my customers and consumers can have a safe, quality, alternative replacement part. What I enjoy most about my job really is being able to look a customer in the eye at the end and know that they're safe.